Hello, friends, welcome back. And today I have another idea for your garden deck in your backyard. So, a garden deck is a wonderful addition to any home, providing any outdoor space where you can relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy nature. With a little creativity and planning, you can transform your garden deck into a beautiful and functional space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. One of the first things you consider when planning your garden deck is its size and shape. A small deck may be perfect for a cozy seating area, while a larger deck can accommodate outdoor dining, lounging, or even a hot tub or outdoor kitchen. The shape of the deck can also affect its functionality and style. A square or rectangular deck may provide a classic, clean look, while a curved deck can create a more organic, flowing feel. When it comes to choosing materials for your garden deck, there are many options to consider. Traditional wood decks are a popular choice, offering a warm, natural look and feel. Composite decking is also becoming increasingly popular as it is durable, low maintenance, and comes in a variety of colors and textures. Once you have determined the size, shape, and materials for your garden deck, it's time to start thinking about the design and elements that will make it truly unique. Consider adding built in planters, trellises, or pergolas to create a lush green space. Outdoor lighting can also enhance the ambience of your deck, providing a warm glow that extends into the night. If you plan to use your garden deck for entertaining, consider incorporating features like a built in barbecue, outdoor bar, or even a fire pit. A comfortable seating area with cushions and pillows can also make your deck a welcoming and inviting space. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches to your garden deck that reflects your style and personality. The little details can make a big difference in creating a space that feels truly special. So, in the end, a garden deck is a fantastic way to extend your living space and enjoy the outdoors. You can create a beautiful and functional space that enhances your house and enriches your life. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas. If you like it,